Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Apple Pay on Steam. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, log into your Steam account. Go to the account details or payment methods section in your Steam account settings. Check if Apple Pay is listed among the supported payment methods. Add Apple Pay as a payment method if available. If Apple Pay is an option, select it and follow the prompts to add it as a payment method to your Steam account. Purchase games using Apple Pay. When making a purchase on Steam, select Apple Pay as your payment method during the checkout process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction using your Apple Pay credentials. Depending on your Apple Pay settings, you may need to use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your Apple ID password to confirm the purchase. Make sure to keep your Steam client and Apple Pay settings updated to ensure compatibility and access to the latest features. And that's how you can use Apple Pay on Steam. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.